The CDC reports that the number of Americans newly infected with HIV is 40% higher than what has been assumed. That means there are 56,000 new cases a year rather than 40,000. NJN News health and medical correspondent Sarah Lee Kessler reports it's a big concern in Newark, which has one of the highest AIDS rates in the country.
Any problem swallowing?
No.
Say
New Jersey ranks 5th in the nation in the number of AIDS cases, but the state ranks 1st in the percentage of women with AIDS. Newark is the epicenter of the epidemic. That's why Newark AIDS experts like Dr. Stephen Smith, who directs the Peter Ho Clinic at St. Michael's Medical Center, are so concerned about the CDC study. It shows that 53% of all new cases are occurring in men having sex with other men.
The number of new cases per year is higher than we thought.
To what do you attribute that?
Complacency. The thought is that there's a lot more high-risk behavior in younger men who have sex with men, and that they are not afraid of the disease.
They're not afraid because of an assortment of powerful drugs that have turned HIV into a chronic, manageable disease rather than a death sentence. That bravado, showcased in a 2005 PSA by the New Jersey Health Department, puts many women at risk.
Can you tell which man has HIV? If you can't tell, do you think he will?
A lot of times with the men having sex with men, they go both ways as it is. And so with that being the case, you don't know who's who in any given situation.
What's your advice to women?
Be careful, get tested, tell your partner to get tested, and if they don't want to get tested, don't compromise, don't sleep with them.
The study is seen as a wake-up call for more AIDS research, outreach, and education. But that poses a real challenge, since 1 out of 4 people infected with HIV doesn't know it.
It's entirely preventable, but having sex with someone, unprotected sex with someone you don't know's status, then you're playing Russian roulette.
Dozens of sites across the state offer free HIV testing, including St. Michael's. Sarah Lee Kessler, NJN News, Newark.